Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into something super useful. How to sign a PDF using Adobe Reader in 2025. With more people working remotely and handling digital documents, knowing this trick can save you tons of time and hassle. Whether you're signing contracts, forms, or school papers, Adobe Reader makes it straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your computer. You can download it for free from the official Adobe website if you haven't already. Once that's set up, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to sign. It's as easy as clicking File, and then Open, or just dragging the file into the program. Now, head over to the toolbar at the top. Look for the Tools tab or search for Fill and Sign. This is where the magic happens. Click on Fill and Sign, and then select the Sign option. You'll see a few ways to add your signature. You can draw it directly with your mouse or touchscreen, type your name and choose a fancy font, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature for a more personal touch. Once you've created your signature, drag and drop it onto the exact spot in the PDF where you need it. Adobe Reader will let you resize and position it perfectly. Don't forget to double-check everything. Make sure your signature looks good and is in the right place. When you're happy, hit Save or Save as to create a new version of your PDF with the signature embedded. One quick tip. If you're signing official documents, always verify that the PDF allows signatures and that you're using a secure method. Also, if you run into any issues, like the sign option not appearing, try updating Adobe Reader or checking your documents' permissions. And there you have it. You've just signed your PDF like a pro. This process is not only easy but also eco-friendly, cutting down on paper waste. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.